Welcome, friends! I hope you have a great time. In this exciting video, we'll share a simple and amazing way to make an efficient alcohol stove, perfect for cooking, especially for camping, outdoor adventures, and even for heating. Let's get started. We'll need a metal can, and we'll carefully make ventilation holes in the middle. It's worth noting that this simple stove is very efficient. It uses very little alcohol and produces no harmful emissions or unpleasant smoke. Follow the video step by step. You might actually need to build this wonderful stove for special occasions, such as camping trips in the woods, road trips, or even just for a little warmth. Where are you watching this video from? Share your thoughts in the comments. It's great to connect with friends from all over the world. Remember, friends, to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on the video, and hit the like button. Thank you so much. We'll use aluminum foil to make a base at the bottom, which will act as an excellent heat reflector. We'll also need steel wool. Which we'll carefully place inside the base of the stove. Next, we'll install the kettle holder. Now, let's pour the alcohol into the burner. Excellent. The burner generates enough heat for cooking without smoke, pollution, or any odor. This is thanks to complete combustion, which is the best feature of this technology. Now, let's test the burner to see how efficient it is at cooking. Wow, this is amazing. It only needs a few drops of alcohol and burns for a long time. It's incredibly economical and practical. You won't need firewood. You won't have to worry about lighting firewood. And you won't have to deal with annoying smoke emissions anymore. If you like the idea, or if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to always receive our latest videos. Wishing you all happy and blessed times. And thank you for watching and interacting. Goodbye.